making those allegations, which was carried mainly in the Independent newspaper, is very unfortunate because very unfortunate from the point of view that Bob is certainly become a bit senile, if one can say that. And there are a number of things which he cannot recollect properly. He was head of state, although prime minister at the time when all this happened. When we were arrested and ZAPU was removed from that coalition arrangement in government, were taken to court on charges of treason for wanting to overthrow the government of the country. If you care to do your research and go into those court records, you will be able to get all the answers which are going to show you